It's Tom from Split Arrow Print House. Today we're going to learn how to download templates on your computer and your iPad. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the Split Arrow Print House website. We're going to choose digital downloads, templates, and all templates so I can kind of see everything we have. Now I'm going to choose this template to download today, but this will work for any and all templates on the website. And all I have to do is add it to cart. And I can view cart and checkout, or I can go ahead and continue and add more products, but we're just going to stick with this one today. And you can see it's $0. So let's go ahead and go through the view cart and checkout process. And you can see I have it in the cart, and I'm going to go ahead and hit checkout. And now you can go ahead and fill out all your information to check out, and it shouldn't charge you anything. So let's go ahead and do that. And I can go ahead and scroll down and hit place order. It'll go ahead and complete itself. Now, once you completed your order, it'll go to this next screen and it'll let you know that it did send an email to confirm your order. And there's a download link there, but we're gonna go ahead and use this one since the screen is already up. So I can see the order that was placed. And if I scroll down just a little further, I can see each template set and the rights and usage, including the How to Use Template version 3 ebook. Now all we need to do to download is go ahead and just click on each one of these and it'll go ahead and download themselves, and we're gonna hit everything. Now when you do this templates rights and usage, it is a rich text format and it'll probably automatically open so you can read it. So we can close that out and we can go to our downloads. And we can see we have everything all in one spot. Now for the key9, you can see I have a template folder here on my desktop that I can go ahead and open up. And we're gonna go ahead and make a new folder and call it Rezo Art Print Templates. And this is just to keep me organized so I know what is there and what I have already downloaded. So let's go ahead and drop those in. And with the template ebook, I can just go ahead and place it on the outside because it doesn't need to stick to each individual product because it covers every template. So we can go ahead and close that downloads folder and we can look at what we've downloaded, and I'm going to switch the view so we can see the file name. So you can see I have the Adobe Illustrator ones, the Photoshop ones, and the Procreate ones all ready to go. Let's double check a file real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and choose this 4.25 by 5 template for Adobe Illustrator. I'm just going to double click it and it'll open right up. I can see everything in it and look at the layers. Now let's take a look at that template ebook that we downloaded alongside of our template files. This ebook would cover everything you would need to know about how to use a template, so whether you're a new artist or an old one, and is also interactive with interactive hyperlinks and a short quiz in the back. If you want to go ahead and download these for your iPad, you could have done this same method with your computer, and you can go ahead and share and airdrop it to your iPad that way. Or we can follow the same pathway on our iPad, and we'll show what that looks like now. So over here on our iPad, we're already going to go ahead and log in because the checkout procedure is the same on your iPad versus your computer. Let's go ahead and grab these templates for Procreate, and it'll ask me if we want to download it, and we're going to go ahead and say yes, and I'm going to hit download right now. And it should take maybe a couple seconds, but I can go ahead and hit this button and double check to see where it's at. And it went into our files. We can see that it's a zip, and it should auto do it once you touch the zip folder, and we can go ahead and open that up and see that everything is there. But now I don't want to keep them here in the download, so I'm going to go ahead and select it, touch, and I'm going to hit move at the bottom of my screen, and I'm going to go to iCloud Drive, and I already have a folder set up for print templates from Split Arrow, and we're going to go ahead and move it there because it would be a better location for us. So now we can access all of our print templates across all of our devices. So what I'm going to do is hit select and select all, and I'm going to swipe up and grab Procreate and drop it into this window. So now it's in this window and you can see I have everything selected. I can just pick, drag, and drop right into Procreate, and it should import every single one of these files. And I can go ahead and hit done on our file screen and swipe over directly to Procreate. And we're going to go ahead and select every single one of these out the gate. And we're going to hit that stack button at the top. And I can hit that little X, and let's rename it Rezo Art Print Templates. So now that we have our Rezo art print templates and they're organized with this handy stack cover that comes with it, so if you view your iPad in a big bulk, you can go ahead and see ours where we have every template already there. Let's go ahead and open one up and take a look at it. So let's open this 8x10 and we can see all of our layers are ready to go. So now that we are ready to begin making art, we can go ahead and hit duplicate. Then I'm going to take that one back out of this folder so I can keep my artwork separate from our templates and I can begin to draw.